Hi, I'm Angela with Freestyle Fashionista, and today I'm going to show you how to cut a t-shirt to make it look slanted. A-line shirts are a huge trend this season, so I'm going to show you how to get the look with something that you already have in your closet. The first thing you want to do is start with a shirt that comes down to at least, I would say, the low hip. And then you want to have a pair of fabric scissors, a stick pin, and then have a ruler on hand. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is decide where you want the shortest part of the shirt to be. I like to always start right above the belt loop. That way, if you like to wear accessories, you can put on a cool belt and have it showing on the shortest part of the slanted shirt. All right, so I'm going to stick a pin right there, and then we're going to take the shirt off. And this is where your ruler is going to come in handy. You basically just want to measure from your mark to the bottom corner. Take the pin out. The cool thing about this is that you can do this with a skirt or a dress. You can use the same exact technique. And then you just want to go ahead and start cutting. All the way to the corner. And if you want to adjust it, once you get it done, if you want to adjust it, you can cut more. But for now, that is all you need to do are those 2 easy steps. Put it back on, show you how it looks. See, you can show off your belt at the same time. That is today's look. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Angela. Have a great day.